In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download and install Hamster Kombat app in your phone for free just in few seconds. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do, guys, is you just need to go to your Google Play or Play Store. Okay, so step number one, go to your Google Play or Play Store. Okay, like this. Open your Google Play, click on the search for Telegram app. Okay, like this, and then install Telegram app in your phone. It's for free and it's super easy. It will take just few minutes. After you finish, go to your home page on your phone and you should find your Telegram app installed in your phone like this. Okay, so just click on Telegram like this and you will be directly in this page like this of your Telegram home page. Click on the search and search for Hamster Kombat. Okay, search for Hamster Kombat. Click on the first name. It's already verified, as you can see. So click on the first name and you will be directly in this page like this. All you have to do is you just need to click on start. Click on start. Then all you have to do next is you need to click over here on play in one click like this. Okay, and you just need to wait few seconds and the Hamster Kombat app will be downloaded and installed in your phone. Okay, and here you go, it's done. Then you can start playing and earn coins. Okay, you can start clicking on the screen and keep earning coins, and that's it. That's how you can install and download Hamster Kombat app in your phone. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in my next videos.